Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin ay si Nini Shop X.
Tapos ano? Tapos ano?
Ito guys, galing China.
Pwede na!
So pag ang parcel niya is ganito yung plastic niya, galing China po yan.
Hindi, wow.
So i-unbox natin guys kung legit yung seller or hindi. Ang in-order ko dito guys yung pen tester pang electronics. So ito guys, so legit yung seller guys. Hindi ko lang sure kung may battery ito guys. Tignan natin. Ayaw matanggal guys. Gupitin ko na lang. So wala pa siyang battery guys. So bibili pa lang ako ng battery. So bali guys, si seller guys is legit. Thank you for watching.